I would first like to thank ma'am and sir because when I came here, I had come with a lot of desperation कि मुझे निकालना है INI, मुझसे घर पे नहीं हो रहा था. So, and this was the only place my parents agreed to send me to stay alone. So, thank you for making this place happen. And I think over these last 10 months that I've stayed here, I've learned more by watching you, the way you do things, the way you show up every day. So I think that has affected me in more ways than getting just a rank. And coming to introduction, first of all, I'm Akanksha Priya. I'm from Ranchi and I did my UG in JIPMA Pondicherry, and we are batchmates actually. And okay, so I came here in August last year for the, I think that was third boot camp. I had my NEET rank around 27,000. Then my November INI rank was in 1,000, and this time it's 61. And through from 27,000 to this rank, I have been here only mentally and physically. So I can tell you what all I did and what I could not do, which I regret. So first thing, please attend all the tests. And for me, the most helpful thing was, ma'am, those subject tests which felt out of the world for me while taking the tests. So it would be like 100 questions jahan I can use my brain, and the other 100 questions were like, ye kya ho gaya? So for some reason that prepared me so much for INI that when I got such questions in the exam, I did not panic at all. So those 3 hours were the most calm 3 hours of my life, and I owe that to you. So please attend all the tests sincerely and review it, and please see where you are going wrong, what is weak for you. And in almost every test, I would realize the topics in which my concepts were weak. So please do visit those topics in detail. Do not leave it for the next time, or okay, it was just a question I got wrong or I got it correct. But make sure your concept gets cleared for those questions. And other things, please come here every day. I mean, I did take few breaks because after November INI, I think I was very much exhausted. So I took break once a week, almost every week. So if you feel you need the break, please take it. If you don't feel the need, please don't. Because this takes a lot of hard work, more than I can tell you, more than you can imagine. So it's not that simple ki you can just read and solve questions and ho jayega. It is a lot of hard work, and it needs a lot of analyzing also where you're going wrong and what you need to change. So please don't bother about what others are doing. Please focus where you are going wrong. I think that has helped me a lot because मुझे FOMO नहीं होता. I'm absolutely unbothered by what other people are doing. Even in tests, in last boot camp, मेरे around 120, 115 ऐसे corrects होते थे almost हर test में. This test, I reached up to 130, 140. Honestly, I never crossed 150 in any of the tests. But so long as I was improving, I was learning from those questions, it didn't bother me much. So I would suggest you do the same. Please do not panic about tests and what other people are doing or what other people are getting. Please focus on your improvement. If you feel you're not doing better than last time, please change your ways of studying. I think that is something that has helped me. I moved from a lot of passive reading to actively studying. I mean, actively you can use flashcards, or you do questions first, then go back to your notes. That way you can analyze if you're forgetting something or you haven't understood something. So that helped me a lot, mostly because after 1 or 2 reading of the notes, it doesn't help you to understand or remember anything more. So I would advise that please do more of active studying rather than passively sitting and reading notes for the entire day. And questions, I think every single question that we get here in daily tests as well as subject tests are very important. Like, it covers almost all the important topics in every aspect that it can be asked. So please attempt all the questions. I think I did not even complete my PYQs module, because every question that I did here, I had almost learned everything about the previous year topics. So please attempt all the tests, and please practice yourself to stay calm for those 3 hours in the exam. I think that has made a lot of difference for me. In this exam I got 155 corrects, and I think in GTs I had got this score only once. Other than that, I was always at 140, 145. And I think what changed for me in the exam was that I was very, very calm. I did not lose my mind even once, and I left a lot of questions unattempted. More than I had expected I would. I left around 14 questions. And if I had done that in any of the previous exams, I would have panicked in the middle of it and just left it. But this time I carried it till the end. It's okay, even if I'm leaving a lot of questions, doesn't matter. What I'm doing, that I should get right. So please practice to stay in the moment during those 3 hours, because that will make all the difference ultimately. So thank you.